Morning everyone, this is Wayne from Wayne's Mr. World. In this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of some of the discoloration from your headlights. As you can see, the headlights of this car, well, the headlight, the right front headlight is a bit discolored. It's a little bit yellowish looking. So the way I'm going to get rid of some of this discoloration is I have some, this is water. It's a little bit warm. So I have some warm water. I have some Arm& Hammer toothpaste. The toothpaste has to be a bit abrasive. Like when you put it between your fingers, you can feel the grittiness. It has to have that grittiness in it. And so I love to use Arm & Hammer and old toothbrush and socks. Well, any piece of cloth, but I'm using old socks. So first I'm gonna apply some warm water to the headlight. Then I'm gonna use some of the toothpaste and just gonna rub it on like that. Just gonna rub it on like that. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. And I'm gonna use the toothbrush and I'm gonna do it like this. Sorry about the outdoor noise. I have helicopters passing over and my neighbors are making a little bit of chatter, but the video shows it all. So what I'm doing now is just using the toothbrush, cleaning off some of the haziness of the headlights. And I'm going to use the socks, the warm water, and clean it off and see how it looks. So it looks a little bit cleaner. I'm gonna redo this again with the toothbrush. She's a little bit gritty because you can feel the toothpaste, the grittiness of the toothpaste. The ingredient in the toothpaste cleans off some of the haziness. So then I'm gonna use some of the warm water and clean it. Pour some of the water. Then I'm gonna pour some cold water and some room temperature water on it. So as you can see, it looks a little bit clearer to me. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna zoom in a bit. It's a little bit clearer. So that is how you clean off some of the haziness off your headlights. You get some toothpaste with grittiness in it. Arm & Hammer is a good example. You get an old toothbrush and you get some warm water or room temperature water, but I prefer using room temperature water. Warm water at first and then I use the room temperature water. So as you can see, the headlight looks a little bit cleaner. So until the next time, Win from Wins Mr. World. Peace out. Check the link below the video. I'll show you where you can buy this stuff. I'll show you where you can buy toothpaste from Amazon. But you can go to any local pharmacy or department store and get it. So peace out, subscribe. Peace.